welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been so long since I shot any kind of video. I was so busy with so many things. Okay, so today is Choti Diwali and I'm all decked up. And yeah, happy Diwali to you all. Okay, so I decided to shoot this video wherein I have purchased some new skincare, new makeup and new hair care products which I liked so much. So these are my lockdown favorites. So I'll be listing 10 things which I loved so much and my skin loved so much. So I'll be sharing my 10 lockdown favorites with you all. So if you want to know, please keep on watching. Okay, so the very first product which I ordered from Nykaa was this white seed brightening serum. This is from the Face Shop. I love Korean skincare. They have something in them which makes your skin so supple, so so supple and so soft. So this is the white seed serum from the Face Shop. It is little expensive. The price of this is 2000, right? But this is my most favorite product from the Face Shop. And if we talk about serums, I've tried so many serums, but this is the consistency of this product is so lightweight and it makes my skin feel so hydrated and it gives a little glow from within. So I use it underneath my makeup most of the times. Otherwise you can use it anytime before going to bed or in the daytime. I recommend this serum to everyone who loves little glowy. The fragrance is so light. All the Face Shop products, they have very mild fragrance. So anyone who doesn't like strong fragrances, this is for them. And also it's so lightweight. You can use, oily skin people can use them, dry skin people can use them, suitable for all skin types. And I've been loving this product since I got my hands. Okay, so the next product is this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade Champagne. मुझे ना आई शेडोज लगाने, उसको बैठ के ब्लेंड करना बहुत दिन बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद है. बट यू नो कभी कभी व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू अ मैरिज और जस्ट थोड़ा फेस्टिव लुक के लिए यू वांट एन आई शेडो गोल्ड और एनीथिंग. वैसे तो मैं लाइनर से काम चला लेती हूँ, बट सिंस मैंने इसको देखा एंड आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड इट ऐसे ही, बट इट हैज वर्कड सो मच फॉर मी. द कंसिस्टेंसी, द कलर पे ऑफ इज सो गुड एंड इट इज सो इजी टू यूज. आई डोंट नो वेयर टू आई शो. It's easy to blend and it settles down so easily and so smoothly. I'll show you on my eyes. Just a second. Okay, so I'll show you how it works. वैसे मैंने लाइनर लगा रखा है, but it's very quick to use. There's a brush just to apply it. Either you can blend it with your fingers or a brush, but लगाते you have to blend it, otherwise ये settle हो जाएगा और blend नहीं होगा. So you have to just blend it. And yeah, you can apply it as a liner also, or you can as an eyeshadow also. It's super quick to use and जिनको भी बहुत ज़्यादा eyeshadow वगैरह लगाना पसंद नहीं है, so for them this is the right product. को भी eyeshadow लगाना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, मतलब बहुत मेहनत जाती है, उसको बैठ के blend करते रहो. This is for you. It is so cheap. This is for around 199 I guess. Yeah, कुछ 200 के अंदर ही था and they have so many shades. I think 5-6 shades तो है ही. And this is so easy to apply. So I highly recommend this liquid eyeshadow to girls who don't have time or doesn't want to apply and you know blend the eyeshadow. वैसे तो सबको पसंद है, मुझे ही पसंद नहीं है, पता नहीं क्यों बैठ के उसे blend करते रहो. But this is really you know, if you want a quick look, you can go. Next product is this Raga Detan Tan Removal Cream. मैंने ये pouch लिया था because I wanted to try it first. It comes in a tub-like thing. The price of this is around 600. I've heard so many good things about this Raga Detan Removal Bleach. So आपको पूरा आपका tan एक बार में, this is a cream thing, आपको लगाना है, 10 मिनट रखना है, and then you have to wash your face और cotton से इसको हटा देना है. It actually removes all the tan. You have to avoid bleach. अगर आपको bleach करना बहुत पसंद है, then you can go for it. But मेरी तरह जिनको सिर्फ tan हल्का सा remove करने के लिए, मैं तो हमेशा bleach कर लेती थी उठा के. If you're searching out for any tan removal cream or any kind of mild bleach kind of thing, go for this. Next thing is this Livon Shake and Spray Serum. You just have to shake it till it turns completely pink, and then if you're out somewhere and your hair is feeling little dry, तो आपको बस उसको dry hair पे ऐसे spray करना है. And the fragrance is so refreshing and so good, and it just detangles your hair, makes your hair so smooth and just comb it up. So आपको उसको dry hair पे spray करना है, but you have to shake it first till it turns this pink and to spray and you good to go. Your hair will feel super smooth and बिल्कुल भी जितने भी tangles होते हैं एकदम से to comb it and एकदम से remove हो जाते हैं. This is a really nice product. I've heard so many good reviews about it on Nykaa, and when I purchased it, okay, the price of this is $250 and it will last you for a very. Next product is this Kama Ayurveda Bhingari Intensive Hair Treatment Oil, because I was suffering from hair loss and dandruff and premature graying. This is little expensive. The price of this is ₹675, which is थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है, और मैंने 2 महीने ही यूज किया है तो मैं बहुत कुछ अबाउट प्रीमेच्योर ग्रेइंग. इसमें मैंने पढ़ा था दैट दे हैव सम आयुर्वेदिक रेसिपी इन इट व्हिच प्रिवेंट्स प्रीमेच्योर ग्रेइंग एंड आई हैव सो मेनी ग्रे हेयर, बट इट हैज डेफिनेटली वर्कड फॉर माय हेयर लॉस एंड माय डैंड्रफ. सो आई रिकमेंड दिस ऑयल फॉर पीपल हु हैव major hair loss problem, and also for people who have dandruff. It is also 100% Ayurvedic product. Little pricey, but I recommend. Little pricey, but Kama Ayurveda ka I've been trying their rose water also, and that is also so good. And this oil is also very good for hair loss. So and ये आपको 3 महीने तो लास्ट करेगा ही, बिकॉज वो बहुत स्टिकी है तो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगता है, बहुत कम लगता है. So if you are suffering from hair loss, okay, फटाफट there are only 2 products left. So the next one is this L'Oreal Seri Expert. My hair, I don't like my hair. They're so unmanageable. But okay, this has worked. I can show you. It's almost khali. I have used it. I have just ordered it around 2-3 months back, and this has been my lockdown favorite. This is little expensive. The price of this is $780. But अगर आपके बाल बहुत unmanageable है, बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज है, बहुत ज़्यादा कलर ट्रीटमेंट कराया है, आपको शैम्पू के बाद इसको लगाना है, 10 मिनट रखना है, and trust me, I'm not joking. Really, actually, it makes your hair so smooth and so manageable. I use this instant reconstructing mask for damaged hair because मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा damaged है, ये color treated भी है. So this has worked really good for me. So if you want to give it a try, you can. Okay, so the last product is this Jeju aloe vera oil from the Face Shop. I love Face Shop. They have so many good products. In the price तो it's not in the budget, थोड़ा सा ओवर प्राइस लगता है मुझे, but because I love Korean skincare, they make my skin feel so good. This is the Jeju, from the Jeju plant. This is the aloe vera gel, 99% pure. It's very soothing. अब तो यहाँ पर विंटर्स है इन दिल्ली, बट मैंने इसको समर में यूज किया था. इट वाज सो सूदिंग. सो ऑयली स्किन पीपल कैन ट्राई इट. इट विल नॉट मेक योर स्किन फील चिप and it moisturizes the skin at the same time. So it's so moisturizing. It gives little kind of moisture and बहुत hydrating और बहुत juicy skin लगती है. मैं इसको दिन में ज़्यादा लगाती थी और बहुत juicy और बहुत ऐसा लगता है कि skin जो है healthy है, वैसा लगता है, बहुत चिप नहीं लगता है. And the fragrance is also so mild. So the people who are allergic to strong fragrances can also use it. So it soothes your skin, it moisturizes your skin, and बिल्कुल भी sticky और कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि कुछ लगाया है. You can use it in daytime and also in night time. In summers for oily skin people and for dry skin people as well. I will highly recommend this aloe vera gel. And the price is not mentioned here because I've ordered it in a Face Shop kit. Face Shop curates some different kind of kits, some small products where you can try the product and then order the bigger one. So you can, it is available on Nykaa and Amazon. So you can get. Okay, so the last product is this Swiss Beauty Dip and Twist Nail Paint Remover. I love this one. So easy to use, no hustle. It will just not mention. I think कुछ 50 का था. I'll mention the description box. But it's so easy to use. See, just dip and twist. I love this product. Use your nail paint in seconds, which is so good. So I'm loving this product from Swiss Beauty. Okay guys, with this I wrap up this video. These were my most favorite products which I've been using this lockdown. Before going, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and leave in the comment section which other products you'll be trying soon. I will see you in my next video super soon. Till then, take care, bye bye, and happy Diwali!